Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix battery drain after update on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, so last solution is software update. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix battery drain after update on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.